We're here at Saguaro National Park West.
We love saguaros! Breakfast at Saguaro Park. It's pancake time!
Blueberries! Welcome to Saguaro National Park, and we're here with Alyssa. Welcome!
Well, thank you for having me.
You're welcome!
Hi, I'm Alyssa and I work at Saguaro National Park. I'm currently a next generation intern ranger, so I primarily focus on shadowing actual park rangers as a good stepping stone to becoming a permanent park ranger. Here you can tell we're in the Southwest Desert, primarily focused on the saguaro.
And we are excited to hear that you are brand new here at Saguaro National Park. Tell us more.
I am. So I'm currently an intern working with the Next Generation Ranger Corps program. So this is a great stepping stone to getting a permanent ranger position.
Wow.
And with this, I've been just shadowing a lot of our other rangers here, learning the ropes, learning a lot about the parks, and just gathering as much information I can about the desert to share with our visitors.
Wonderful, wonderful. Can you tell us who's the friend right behind
Yeah,
you?
who's right here?
Who do we have here?
Oh, well, here we have some graffiti. This looks like
Oh,
somebody named him Guam.
Oh, I didn't even know
Guam.
that.
I know,
Oh,
it's okay, but no. Let's see, Guam the Saguaro here.
Aw.
Unfortunately. But
How old do you think this saguaro would be?
this
height?
Saguaro
Looks like it's about, what, 8
height,
foot?
8 footer, definitely. 8 foot's definitely around 50 years old.
Ooh,
The
okay.
cool thing about saguaro is that they grow so slowly.
Wow, Alyssa, what do we have here?
This is actually called a chain fruit cholla. If you actually look at it, its segments grow on top of each other, kind of hanging down almost like grapes. They're little balls and they actually grow really, really long. So they'll start growing on top of each other and hang down. That mimics the name chain fruit cholla. And the coolest thing about this is that here in the Sonoran Desert, we have this myth that all these visitors like to ask us about the jumping cactus.
Jumping cactus! Ah!
And it's funny because people like to say that it jumps out at you and it gets you, but
It's gonna get us one day. I know it. It's gonna get me and Starr.
But this is actually a myth, and that none of our cacti here in the desert jump at you. And this is actually said because all of these segments are so loosely attached that just the slightest brush against them and it'll hang on to you. It's very helpful for the cacti because if you actually just plant one of these segments alone, it'll start growing itself. So it's one of its many tactics to reproduce.
Wow, so stay away from the
Jumping
needles.
cholla. Just kidding. So about the cholla, if you ever get it stuck in your arms or if you're walking along in the desert, it comes in your pants, the method to actually remove these buddies is to grab a comb. So you always have to walk with a comb here in the Sonoran Desert because these prickles are so sturdy and strong that if you actually touch it with your finger, you'll get it stuck in your hands. So that's why they advise to use a comb, and you would actually get the comb and put it in between the needles and then flick it out. But wherever you're flicking it, make sure that there's nobody nearby because it will actually stick to whatever you flick it at. So.
We love Saguaro National Park.
Alyssa, this tree is beautiful. I see it around town, around Tucson, even in front of people's homes, right?
Yes.
What's it called?
It is called the Palo Verde.
Palo Verde.
Yeah, so the cool thing about Palo Verde is that its name actually translates to what it looks like. Palo Verde actually translates to green stick, which is just what it is. A green stick.
It is a beautiful green.
Yeah, it's awesome because well, you can't tell right now because it has its leaves. We just got that nice heavy rain, so everything's growing. But year round, the Palo Verde actually loses its leaves, and plants need leaves to photosynthesize. And so the plant itself photosynthesizes through its green bark.
Wow! Wow, that is so cool. Do any animals find this as any sort of a food source for them?
No, but it does produce a lot of beautiful flowers that helps pollinate the land itself.
Wonderful.
So.
Thank you so much for telling us about the Palo Verde.
Of course.
Welcome to the Visitor Center.
At Saguaro National Park.
of Saguaros! Thank you so much, Alyssa.
Thank you for telling us about the cholla, the palo verde, the saguaro. That was awesome.
Awesome. Those are magnificent plants.
And what a great time we've here at Saguaro, starting with breakfast.
Whoa, did you see that spread we had going on there?
What was your favorite thing we ate?
Well, I'm gonna have to say it was the potatoes, when I cooked it up in the pan there.
Those turned out good. I love the pancakes with the blueberries.
Oh, that was delicious too. Hey, look at these guys, huh? Whoa.
Love them. There's just a sea of saguaros. We did a little shopping back in the gift shop.
Yeah, the gift shop was so cool.
Did you see who we met today?
Whoa!
It is Sunny Saguaro.
Sunny!
And Sunny is a junior ranger. And you know what Sunny just taught me? That the saguaro is the largest cactus in the United States. They average about 40 feet tall, and some have been measured as tall as 78 feet tall. What? Thanks, Junior Ranger Saguaro. It's Sunny Saguaro. How about the portraits we took?
Those portraits were gorgeous.
Oh, what a beautiful
It
setting.
was almost like they were cheering us on.
Yes. They were our backup dancers.
We're twirling in the middle. What about that heat? I think it was like 102.
Totally. Beautiful day here. We really enjoyed it here at Saguaro National Park.
Thank you so much for joining us here at Saguaro National Park in Arizona.
Sunny Saguaro says goodbye, and let's go say goodbye to all of Sunny's friends.
Yeah, let's go do that.
Bye.
If you're interested in learning more about the Southwest, I'd recommend to check out our Instagram page at Saguaro National Park, or if you're looking to plan a visit, our government website also has great information, and just Google search Saguaro National Park and we would be the first one at mps.gov.
Like and subscribe. Okay, thanks, bye.